Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cook with Kim. If this is your first time watching a Cook with Kim video, then welcome to the channel and hopefully you will subscribe and join our team. Today's video is a tutorial in which I'm making a healthy vegetable salad. So enjoy the video and have fun exploring different vegetables if you decide to make these. Vegetables which will take a little longer to cook than others will be added first. So the vegetables which are prepared are set in order of how it will be added in the pan to cook. Put the pan on low to medium fire and drizzle some olive oil. And once the oil is ready, start to add the vegetables in. Most vegetables lose its taste when it's overcooked. So remember to add vegetable in order of your preference in terms of how soft you like your vegetables. So I've added onion, peppers, carrot, potato, and I'm gonna let that cook for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. So now you've got all your vegetables stir frying. Now add a bit of flavor by adding a vegetable stock cube, and you can melt the vegetable stock by drizzling a bit of hot water and stir it until it melts and drizzle it all around the vegetable. You don't necessarily have to add the vegetable stock or salt, but it will enhance the taste of the vegetable if you give it a little bit of flavor. So I'm adding a bit of onion flavor salt. Now cover the pan for its final stage of cooking and let it steam cook for a bit. Okay, so the vegetables have cooked now. I'm gonna give it a final stir, and whilst you're stirring it, if you notice the vegetables are still a little bit hard, then cover the pan and let it steam cook for a few more minutes. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you'll enjoy this vegetable salad, which goes well with almost anything. I'm off to enjoy mine with some fish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you for another dish with Cook with Kim. Take care for now.